What is an advertising budget? An advertising budget is the amount of money a company plans to spend on promoting its products or services during a specific period. In simple words, an advertising budget is the money set aside for marketing and promotion activities. Businesses create advertising budgets to control spending and ensure marketing efforts are effective. The budget may cover costs such as online ads, television commercials, social media promotions, print advertisements, influencer marketing, and promotional campaigns. Companies usually prepare advertising budgets monthly, quarterly, or yearly. The size of the budget depends on business goals, company size, competition, and expected sales growth. There are several methods used to decide an advertising budget. The percentage of sales method sets the budget as a fixed percentage of revenue. The objective and task method calculates costs based on marketing goals and required activities. The competitive parity method matches competitors' advertising spending. The affordable method spends only what the company can afford. An advertising budget helps businesses plan campaigns properly and avoid overspending. It also allows companies to measure return on investment, known as ROI. By tracking results, businesses can adjust future advertising strategies. A well-planned advertising budget improves brand awareness, attracts customers, and increases sales. In simple terms, an advertising budget is the planned amount of money used for promotion and marketing. Easy way to remember. Advertising budget means planned money for advertising activities.